Hello traders. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the trend bolt mini panel indicator for MT4. This compact dashboard shows trend direction across multiple time frames in a small on-chart panel, helping you confirm market momentum quickly without switching charts. At this point, I've loaded the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow your DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. You can look closely on the charts at the top right. The trend bolt mini panel appears as a small movable panel on your chart that lists selected time frames such as the M1, M5, M15, H1, H4, and daily, with color-coded trend status for each. Bullish conditions are shown in one color, green in this case, and bearish conditions in another, red in this case, giving you an instant snapshot of whether the market is aligned across time frames or mixed. Behind the scenes, it uses moving averages, momentum filters, and trend algorithms to convert raw price data into clear trend signals, reducing the need for subjective interpretation. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have at the inputs. So we basically have the fast MA, the slow MA, the moving average type, the MACD fast EMA, MACD slow EMA, the periods, both the K period and the D period, and then you can select the time frames you want to see in your dashboard over here. You can also choose your preferred colors and how you want it to appear, so it fits in perfectly with your underlying MT4 charts theme. So it's all here. It can be customized to suit your preferences. So who is this actually for? The trend bolt mini panel is suitable for scalpers, day traders, and swing traders who need fast, clear trend confirmation across multiple time frames. It does not generate full trade setups by itself, and like any algorithmic trend tool, can still show conflicting signals in choppy markets, so it should be combined with support/resistance, price action, volume, and risk management. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full trend bolt mini panel indicator MT4 overview, including key features, practical uses, and integration tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.